take a quick look at the SLHE class pages. After logging into the SLHE website or app, make sure you're on the home page. You will see the classes that your children are enrolled in. Click on the plus sign, which is an expansion button that will list all the classes. This will enable you to print from this screen so they have a printed schedule. The one thing I would note is that room numbers are not listed on that page. Some people choose to print this and then cut them down and even laminate them, tie them onto their little ones' backpacks, and that way they have a printed schedule in case they're lost or they forget where they're supposed to go. This gives an adult or your child the ability to know where they should be quickly. Select a class page to open. Here you'll find important information from your teacher, including important communications, homework, the syllabi, supply list, class documents, grades if they're kept, and upcoming assignments. I'm going to click into biology since that's the class that I'm teaching this year. You can see I'm in the student view, but there is a drop-down that I could look at it from the instructor view. From there, I can manipulate the page. Let's continue on as if we're a student. Here, I can see the assignments. Under the Resources tabs, the syllabi is posted. I can look and see who all is in my class. I can see assessments. Conversations is the important tab on this page to create new conversations or to read conversations that have been started by your instructor or other students. Now, let's back out of that page, go back to our home page, and click on another class, one I'm not teaching this time. Again, I'm in the student view. I can read the class description. I can see what the class fee is, the supplies that are needed, and more. I can also click on the teacher's name here and get her email address or contact information if I need to reach out to her.